Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which His Highness the Emir of State of Kuwait has addressed to Your Excellency and credit me as the Ambassador of the State of Kuwait to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present letter of record of my predecessor.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Excellency. Thank you very much, Excellency.
Gong, it's what we call a rally. It's a drum. When you beat that, and when you summon people for meeting, for wedding, there we go.